Hi everyone. Today this video is we will see about a Python. Before that we have to know what is a Python and in which field we have to use the Python. What are the development areas? Why it is best today? These things is we have to see. Then what is a Python? Nowadays it's too popular to everyone because this Python is very common in all the other fields like field like web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting. Even though nowadays we have to use artificial intelligence, we are using Pythons and machine learning, robotics, uh, STEM techniques. The everywhere we have to use Python because the Python is very easy to use and it's like an English language. We can't read it like a program is like an um, instruction like that. Then what can Python do? By that Python, what we can do that means we have to create a server by using this in a web application, and we can to use a workflow on the software. That means after this to this, we have to use like this. That means I want to create one software for an billing or something and financial oriented software means that workflow I just to enter the data. After I should enter, we have to manipulate and recreate the all data. By that we can to use a Python. That means it's a application oriented language. That's only we can use in all software. And the same thing I told now, in software we have to upload the data and manipulate the data. These are all in under a database system. That's it. We can to modify the all files in periodically, and we have to upload day by day. We have to upload our data, like what amount of sales is done today and what we will expect on tomorrow, maybe in holiday or festival occasion, how much of sales will be done, will be going on. Like that we have to predict by the software. We can to use Python like this. And already I told now, big data, data science and artificial intelligence, we have to use Python. That's a fourth point. Python can use it to handle the big data and performing complex mathematics because in a machine learning we have to make a we have to teach a machines to perform in a different condition. That means we have to teach a machines for making its own decision. For that we have to use a Python. Then uh, prototyping, we have to use a rapid prototyping. That means we have to encrypt the data and manipulate the by data in very fast manner. That means we have to use this. Then we have lot of softwares, lot of scripting language like Python. But why we recommend the Python means it's working in different platforms as well as a Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi. That means Raspberry Pi is IoT oriented. This means stem cell technique. That's it. The all of things we have to use the Python. Okay. Then it is very very simple coding like a English language. I want to huh? It's okay, we can edit. எழுத சொல்லுங்க. Very fast. Okay. Um, connect. Okay. இப்போ நான் இதில் விட்டேன். It's okay, நான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டேன். Okay. Yeah. Python syntax is allowed to develop a developer and to write a program with a few lines. Uh, just imagine in a C language, already we seen a C language. In the C language, in the first program, we print a hello world. That's simple, but we have to use few lines like we have to add a header file, then we have to include int main, then we have to use a print of, this is syntax for print a hello world, then return statement. This really takes us 6 or 7 lines, but in a Python we have to print, just print using print. That's it. Print hello world. This only line is enough to in a Python. So the 7 lines is reduced as one line in a Python. So it's very simple, and developer can allow to develop a syntax, that is, and write their program as it is so quick and very short manner, that is. And Python runs on an interpreter system. That means the coding will be executed as soon as it is written, that is. And prototyping is very quick. Already we saw that prototyping is very quick. The same thing here also. uh, Python can be treated in a procedural way, that means object oriented ways or a function way. In a C language we want to use a object oriented programming system, but in in C++, Java, PHP, or in Python we can to use object oriented. The same thing we can to use object oriented in Python. Then what are the ways we have to know about the Python? What are the in that which is are a good things, that is nowadays most recent version is a Python 3, but security purpose Python 2 is more good and quite popular than Python 3. That's the reason. Then why Python syntax is very simple compared with other language means, here new line to complete a command, that is uh, reliability and similarity to English language, that frequency from mathematics. That means just imagine in a max textbook it's something about in between commands, like we have to subtract a and b. That same thing we have to use in Python, that is. And let's we have to take a LCM or equaling the two numbers, that same thing we have to use in Python. Then Python uses a new lines to complete a command, as opposed to other programming languages often using a semicolons or parentheses. That is a different here. And we have to use white spaces to define scope or scope of loop function on system. We have to use it's something and free to manner using. It's very simple, that's it. Then these are a very basics concepts, and we have to know before read a Python. In upcoming videos we have to see in a Python also, as well as parallelly Java and C. In next video of Python series we have to use a simple program like a C language, how to print a hello world. The same thing in a Python also we have to see how to print a hello world, and we have to see what are the components in that program. It will be in next video. Thank you.